Good morning, I'm Juanita and welcome back to the Knit Guru. As you can probably guess, this is not a knitting project, this is a construction project. And I realised I haven't shown like long form video of this. There have been some shorts and some shorts updates. And there's meant to be a knitting video going up in 30 minutes from exactly now. Which is not going up in 30 minutes exactly from now, because I haven't finished it. And then I thought, do I just pull the only video that I have pre-recorded other than some knitting in the garden vlogs and move that to today? Or do I just do a walkthrough of what we have been doing on the house and then mildly edit it? Maybe. And get it uploaded late, because there's not going to be a video in 30 minutes. But there could be a video by lunchtime. So yeah, I thought I'd show you where we're up to with the house. And hopefully right now in the reflections of the windows, you'll be able to see some of the view. I mean, I'll turn it around and show you the view, but the view's great. Actually, I don't need to turn around and show you the view. I'll show you the view from inside. Anyway, I'm going to go inside. I'm going to show you where we're up to. I'm not even sure I'm looking at the right part of the lens. It's that kind of morning right there. Yeah, and so instead of a knitting update or a knitting video, let's look at my house. All right, first part of the house, we are in the laundry. Why are we in the laundry? Mostly because this last weekend was spent varnishing this bench top here. I had to do 2 lots of varnishing. I'll show you the other one in the kitchen. Is this room finished? No, but look. All the electrical paneling is covered up, which did mean there was a whole rush of putting up the last bit of board and painting and plastering and, oh, you name it. Right, I'm really sorry, but the only way I can think to get this done and up today is one continuous shot, other than the intro. My apologies for anyone who gets a little bit seasick at this. All right, here we are, my bedroom, Dad's caravan, for when my nephew comes to stay. So here we've got a view out this window. We've got some construction rubble. We've got the 3 doors that come off this space, teal wall. See this wire hanging out over here? I have the coolest bird lamps. So cool. They're like the first thing I bought for the house, or maybe the second thing I bought for the house. Before we had even got walls, I purchased these bird wall lamps. And now I don't have the appropriate paperwork to have them installed, because why I thought I was buying them in New Zealand from a New Zealand website with a New Zealand address. It was not a New Zealand company, and they came directly from China, so they don't have the appropriate electrical certification. So I was excited about these wall lamps, and now this weekend I'm going to be buying ugly wall lamps that I do not like. It doesn't even matter if they're nice wall lamps. I'm not going to like them as much as the bird lamps. The bird lamps were cool. Ensuite, not quite finished yet, but it's ready for the plumber. All of the windows and everything's been painted. At some point down the track, I want to build a, what do you call it? Picture frame around the mirrors. Yeah, we're also filming on my phone because I can't work out any other way of getting it up on time without doing it this way. So, walk-in wardrobe. Door still needs to go in. But other than that, it's finished, and it's roughly been used as storage. Okay, we are now in one of the reasons why there's a couple of tutorials that have not been finished, because I don't have a table at the moment. There's some of my view. Down here, we've got all my paint supplies. Some of them I don't need inside anymore, but they've got to go somewhere, so yeah, they're here. The fireplace still needs to be installed. It's not installed yet, but my kitchen is installed. The in-laws just gave us some bar stools that they're no longer using, so that's quite exciting. Pantry has a door. That is the only door that's fully in and installed with all the appropriate handles and things. So that's exciting. This bench top is a stone bench top, and it cost a stupid amount of money, but it's really pretty. And then this bench top over here is the same as the one in the laundry, which is actually a really cheap bench top, except I had to varnish that with a food grade varnish. So over the last weekend, I was using 2 different types of varnish, going back and forth, making sure I didn't mix it up. And then this window with the alternative view out the other window, this one I'm going to paint navy blue and put silver foiling on it. Okay, I think it's hilarious. So it'll look like a picture frame. That's my plan anyway. Table full of all the stuff that we've been working on. Most of this, I think, is just these empty tubes and rubbish. It's been chaos. Heat pump is now installed and my cabinet is now installed. It just needs the wooden trim across the top. My fairy garden, which is going outside at some point when I build a fairy garden, the fairy garden houses are just sitting in there because they have to live somewhere. Yeah. Then what will be my office? Well, it'll be my shared office with Dave. But I've got to do this window. I haven't painted, I haven't sanded it, I haven't undercoated it, and I haven't painted it. But I think that's going to be a white window frame because this room has a secret orange wall. Because I figure orange wall, orange fire, it'll just blend. And they're pocket doors in there. Right, now we'll go down to the other end. There's nothing to show you in the pantry, and it's dark in there. And because there's still no electricity, there's nothing to show you in the pantry. Yeah. So, hot water tank. It's got to get installed soon. There's a plastic thing that goes down the bottom to catch any drips. Picked that up yesterday. Very exciting. It's not that exciting. Bathroom. The bath's got one of those shower thingies over the top of it. There's a glass wall with a door that needs to be attached. And when that gets attached and I paint, she says trying to work out where to point, that window, have I undercoated it? I do not know. Maybe I've undercoated it. I have. At some point, I undercoated this window. So this window will be finished this weekend. So that's good. Although I've got to get a pedicure this weekend. I got given a voucher for a pedicure and I'm not sure how I feel about my feet being touched by strangers, but that's going to happen. Orange room view, orange room wardrobe, random knitting and crochet. These are doors that need to go into the wardrobe or onto the door hole, and that there is to create this is the bit that's going to make people feel real sick, I'm sorry. The attic flap with drop-down ladder thing. So that's got to happen at some point, but that is well past my field of expertise. This is the pink room. This was the first room that was finished. It's been the first room finished all the way along, actually. And the closet that I would have painted pink, but my nephew said no, because it's the room that he wants to stay in, and he doesn't want it to be too pink. Again, I bought more bird lamps that I can't put in, so I need to purchase lamps for there. I was also going to get a moon lamp for here. I won't be getting a moon lamp because it's the same company, so I need to get something else, some sort of wall light for here. But this whole hallway was going to be decorated to be Stairway to Heaven themed. Not like the song, but more like the name of the song as a as a concept, so that I could put constellations on the ceiling and a moon here and glow in the dark things, so that then when the lights are off or on, it looks like the night sky. Why Stairway to Heaven? Mainly because there's a hole in the up to the attic with the ladder going out of it. And then the purple bedroom. And that's got a purple wardrobe, purple wall, and a view out this way. There's the back end of my car. Yeah, so this is where the house is up to. Carpet's in, flooring's in, but it has taken up all of the time. It will be totally worth it when we're in. There's some view of some mountains, and some, stuff from when we had the diggers. But yeah, I am just not up to date with any form of knitting or crochet or crafting of any kind whatsoever. We've been sick. We are well past the deadline for finishing the house. It was supposed to be finished. Initially, it was going to be finished in September, and then we had delays, and then we had to change the builder, and then it was going to be Christmas, and then that took longer. And then it was going to be in by the end of January. And then that took longer. And I want to be in before Easter. It's not going to be finished by Easter, but I'd like to be in before Easter. And that would make me happy. I feel like it would just be such a milestone to get in. So what's remaining? There's a controller that goes in for the hot water, because somehow the solar and the heat pump and the fireplace all work together to create the hot water heating. The gas fitter needs to come in and sort out the stove top. The extract fan needs to be installed. I'm not worried about my upper cabinets yet, but once the extract fan goes in, I've got the measurements so that then I can get the backsplash in. And then we have to have a deck, because otherwise all the doors are falling risks. So that's going to be a massive job. But the biggest ones are plumber and the solar installation, because we've gone back and forth over different solar plans. Because we are off-grid, if you didn't know that one, we're off-grid. And sorting it out to run a house the size with solar and wind and a generator has been a lot. And I'm going to pretend that I've had anything to do with it. I haven't. Since my concussion, I have not regained the ability to do maths or physics. Of all the things to lose. But in my day-to-day every life at the moment, I don't need it as much, so it's not so bad. Yeah. So that's where we're at. My weekend is going to involve more painting. Initially, my thought was last weekend I would have everything finished. I won't. Will I have everything finished this weekend? I won't. But I am hoping that I will have, this window will be blue, the skirting boards will be finished tonight, the pantry skirting boards will be painted tomorrow, and that would leave me the bathroom window and the media room office window to do on Sunday. And at that point, is all my painting done? At that point, all the painting is done, except for things that need some... Oh, and I need to do one more side of one door, because as the doors were starting to go back into their rooms, it was discovered that one of the doors was not painted. Because, of course, it wasn't painted. Why would I have painted all of them? Yeah. Between that and picking out some extra wall lights and these pendant lights up here, that's the end of my jobs on the house, I think. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough. My apologies, it's not a knitting video. There will be a knitting video on Monday, and it should be the super whimsical accessory for the Bear With Me project. So I'll link the Bear With Me project in this video and his first little jumper. And then hopefully you can enjoy his little accessory. But I haven't finished it. I just haven't finished it. And it's not even the knitting part that I haven't finished. The bit that I haven't finished is what goes in it. Anyway, I better go to work because it's a work day. It's a work day. And then I can come home and paint and go to the Booktown launch. Okay, or this weekend is also busy. But I'm going to get stuff done. And I'm going to hold it together. Because I've not been that well. Anyway, I better go. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough and this explanation of why you don't have a knitting video this week. Okay, I will catch you on Monday. Bye.